How to add a phone number to the phone block numbers list on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, we tap on the More button. Then from the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Then in Call Settings, we go down and tap on Block Numbers. In here, manually enter in the phone number that you want to block. So I'm just putting in some random number here. Then tap on the Add button. Okay, so put in the phone number that you wish to block and tap on the Add button. Now while you're here, if you want, you can also block a contacts. So tap on Contacts here and then select a contact that you want to block. Then tap on Done. You can also open up the recent list. So tap on that. This will show some of the recent phone number that has called you. Tap on that and then tap on Done. And then from here, you can block them as well. Okay, so after that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.